this past week was up, but inventory dropped 6% for resale homes. 212 homes that did settle this past 30 days, those went under contract in about 6 median days. It's Friday, July 2nd, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your local snapshot of what's happening in all zip codes of Annapolis. There are 15 homes for sale priced under $300,000, but there are 28 homes for sale over $1 million, and 11 of those are priced at more than $2 million. Based on this, the affordability for buying in Annapolis appears to be shrinking. So what does the inventory look like this week? Well, inventory is actually down to only 160 homes for sale in all zip codes of Annapolis. 29 homes were listed for sale, 17 homes are coming soon, 28 homes went under contract since last week's report, 30 are temporarily off the market, 23 moved to pending, and 69 sold over the past week. The highest priced home to sell this past week was in Eastport for $2,065,000. Renting continues to be a challenge for most tenants. There are only 15 active homes for rent, priced between $1,950 and $6,000 per month. And stats show that rentals are going under application in just 4 days. If you want to know your options for buying or selling, be sure to get our free edition of the Home Seller or Home Buyer Guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Guides in the navigation bar. That's your quick snapshot of the Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 2nd, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. You can also catch our market updates on your favorite podcast services or on your Google or Alexa device. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your holiday weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.